Welcome from Liberty Lecture Hall. We are kicking off our second lecture series as part of our 5 lectures, and we're going to cover over-denture treatment, both surgical and prosthetic protocol. It's great to see such a strong turnout from our Maryland dental community for a night of learning and networking. It's always an honor to host our referring doctors and grow together.
I think that every time that I go to a course that you present, I grow as a professional, and it gives me more self-confidence when I treat patients. It's almost like when we do a course together, the CE course in itself is I learn so much from you, and I'm so thankful that I have you as my referral source.
That was really informative. We don't do a ton of locator dentures in our office, and so it's nice to see just some new content of the applications and, good cases where they could be more useful to patients who, have a hard time with hygiene purposes. It's nice to have a prosthetic that you can kind of take in and out, and it's nice when the BioHorizons has some really nice products to make the process a lot easier for patients and for the clinicians themselves.
If you missed this lecture, we have another lecture coming up in March, and there's plenty of time for signing up.